asleep there. Wow, what an awesome fall day, man. I am a little thirsty though. Ooh, Ranger Obi's water bottle there. I don't see him anywhere. I'll just take a little sip. He'll never know. That's good stuff right there. Good water. I'll go back to sleep. T-Rex! It's a T-Rex! T-Rex! Oh, I'm gonna get my Nerf blaster! Here! Take that! Oh, there you go! Take that! Take that! Ooh, take that, T-Rex! Oh, I'm out! I gotta go! I gotta get out of here! I gotta get out of here! T-Rex! I'll hide behind this tree. Take that, T-Rex! Ooh, he's hiding behind the tree. Oh, right in the noggin there, huh? Oh, I'm all out.
Hi, Park Ranger, it's me.
Park Ranger LB, what are you doing with a T-Rex hat on, man?
I was trying to scare you for taking my water bottle.
Oh, sorry, dude, you saw that?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that, man. I guess we're even now, okay?
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Well, anyways, Park Ranger, I have a big surprise for you.
A big surprise? What is it?
Well, I can't really tell you, but you can have this blindfold, and then I can lead you to this big surprise.
Oh, okay. You gotta be blindfolded?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess I make you do it too, don't I?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I'll put on the blindfold then. Okay, which way is it?
It's good.
Which way is the surprise?
Turn around.
Turn around.
No.
Ow.
About to go into the bushes.
Ow.
Turn in.
Ooh, what's that?
That's the tree.
The tree?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that the surprise?
No.
Oh, okay.
Careful, there's a step there. There's a step. It's not a. Okay, you can step down. Big steps. Yeah, that kind of big steps. Big step. You almost
Where's the big steps, man?
You're going the wrong way.
Going the wrong way? How would you know which way I'm going? That's not... Dude, man, you didn't tell me there was a step there. Oh, you didn't tell me about that one either. Okay. Ooh. Oh. We all set?
Stop now.
Okay. What?
You can stop now.
Stop? I don't need to stop, man. Aren't we? Where's the surprise?
Stop.
Oh. Woo, that's cold. Oh. Oh, man. You sent me into the pool, dude. That's not
sorry.
good. Okay. Where's the surprise, man? All I see is the pool. I don't see a surprise.
Look behind you.
Behind me. What's behind? It's an egg!
Yeah!
Awesome, dude. It's a big old mean T-Rex egg.
Yeah!
Ah, cool. I finally get to open an egg.
Well, actually, there's one problem.
What's that?
I get to open up the egg.
You? Why? Man, you surprised me.
Well, I'm the kid, that's why.
Oh, okay, you're right. You're the kid park ranger. And besides, you're in dino school all day. Cool, I'll sit back here and watch. Let's go for it, dude.
Okay. Cool, it's an Air Hogs launch rocket.
All right, you got the Air Hogs rocket launcher, huh?
Yeah.
You gotta do a countdown, right? 'Cause
Oh,
we only
yeah.
have one of these rockets. Something tells me this thing could go really high.
Yeah, me too. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh!
Ooh, in the pool. Here, I get it. I'm already wet. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 3. Wow, that one made a whistle when it came off. Oh man, it's way out there.
Oh no.
Okay, here, you stay here. I'm already wet. Come back. Come back. Oh, it's cold. Go. Whoa, hey, that's pretty good. Oh, it nearly hit you right there in the head, man. Wow, you got good aim, huh? That's cool. Okay, let's go see what else is in the egg, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, let's go.
Cool, it's dinosaur hand puppets. Let's open this bad boy up. A Velociraptor and a T-Rex.
All right, so we got our dinosaur hand puppets. Yours is a
Raptor.
And I got T-Rex here, so there's a little switch here on the bottom to turn it on. There you go. Oh, we got it in the nose.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh, wait, oh. Uh-oh. T-Rex almost came off there. Hey, you know what? I got a better idea. Here, you take this for a second. Oh, T-Rex! What? Stop, man! Stop! Stop, poor Granger LB, man! It's just me! Oh! Let me see if T-Rex can beat Raptor with a head on! I can't see anything. There, go in the pool there. Wait, get the Nerf gun.
Cool, it's a Roboraptor. It's so huge, I can barely hold it. This is a big toy.
Hey, it's the Roboraptor Blue, man. What a huge robot raptor toy that is there, huh?
Yeah.
You ready to try it out?
Huh? Okay, Raptor, let's go hunt for food. Yeah, go, Raptor! Yeah, go! Oh, no! Stop! Hey, Anna! Food, stop! Stop! Ah, there we go. It's dancing! Stop! Awesome! It's a Zumo disc launcher!
Awesome, man! Okay, Park Ranger LB, we've got our Zumo disc launchers here, right?
Yeah.
And a whole bunch of discs. The instructions say you put in a disc, you aim it away from your face, you squeeze the trigger, and then you let go to launch it, okay? So let go. There it goes! Oh, it landed on the deck! Ooh, look, there it goes, there it goes. Wow, oh, it's just floating there.
Woo!
And it came right back to me. How about this time? So let's see how high it goes. We see if we can shoot it in a straight line towards the house, okay? On your, 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, on the roof. Ooh, that could be, I think it went in the neighbor's yard.
Oh, no.
Okay, well, the dog will enjoy that one. There's our last two. Let's see who can go farthest, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Statue of Liberty, go! Oh, I think mine went higher.
Tie.
Oh, yours came down the pool, mine's on the deck. Hey, we're all out. Let's go see what else is in the egg,
Okay,
man.
go, McQueen.
Oh, Lightning McQueen, he's not gonna fly. Hey, look, Park Ranger LB, you got a good hit there on my watch and smashed the glass, man. When you were doing that T-Rex attack. Oh, hey, Park Rangers, we know that you're always looking to meet us. And now, coming up on December 16th, 2017 in Austin, Texas, you'll get a chance to meet Park Ranger LB and Park Ranger Aaron in person at the Jurassic Quest event there in Austin. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be there Saturday afternoon.
Yeah.
And Jurassic Quest is gonna let us in to do our meet and greet while we're there doing a video about them. Cool, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome, okay. So remember, December 16th, 2017, Austin, Texas, Jurassic Quest. We'll be there for a meet and greet.
Yeah.
Make sure you wear your Toilet TV shirt so we'll know how to spot you.
Uh-oh. Cool, it's two boomerangs. Let's get these two guys flying.
We got our Zoomarangs. You ready to go for a test spin here?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. I think maybe we go down here and we'll throw them that way, okay?
Okay.
You go first, okay?
Okay.
Ooh, here it comes. Oh, is it coming back? Oh, wow, you almost could have caught that, dude. Okay, let me see if I can make mine come back to me here. Woo!
Woo!
Splat. Okay, here. Why don't you try 2 in the same hand
Okay.
at the same time, see what happens. Oh, that was so close.
Oh,
Let's try a shootout. Do 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 do. Oh, you almost got me! I went in the house. Okay, let's go see what else is in the egg, dude.
yeah! Ba-ba-da-ba, dinosaurs! Cool is the Dino Excavation game!
This is the T-Rexcavator Dino Team game, okay?
Cool.
All right, man. So I think what we do, this is kind of like Operation, you know, the game where you go in, you take the bones out. So we've got dino-related questions that we ask each other and we take a bone out if you get the question right. So, which type of dinosaur had the best sense of smell? Carnivores, herbivores, omnivores, schnozzivores.
Schnozzivores.
It's A, carnivores or meat eaters.
What?
Okay, you get to ask me a question now.
Which of the following were the best hunters? Hungry dinosaurs, Cymerosis, Triceratops, or Velociraptors?
Ooh, velociraptors. Yeah, man, we know the velociraptors around here. Okay, excavate lower leg bone. Okay, I gotta get this one here. Okay, here we go. Okay, I know I got this one. We're gonna be playing this until it's like dark. So how about whoever gets the first bone out wins?
Okay.
All right, here's your next question. A scientist who studies dinosaurs is called an A, archaeologist, B, paleontologist, C, a dude with a really cool job, or D, a geologist?
B.
A paleontologist, that's right. They spend a lot of time digging. So I tell you what, wait. You're supposed to get the foot bone, but we're having such a hard time. Why don't you just pick one you want to do, okay? You wanna go for that one there, the skull? Can you get it? You got it!
Yeah, I win!
Park Ranger LB wins. Okay, good job, dude.